Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today. This video is a tutorial on this olive smoky eye that I have on today. This video is in collaboration with Jordana Vargas. She invited me to be a part of a collaboration with her. We're doing 5 makeup looks, one every day leading up to Thanksgiving. We started with a long-lasting foundation routine, and then the other 4 videos are just eye looks that are more festive, really great for the holidays. So I'll have all of Jordana's information linked in the description box. I definitely recommend going and checking her out. She's a professional makeup artist, so she's very good at what she does. Her eye makeup always looks so nice, and I'm sure she's gonna have a lot of really great tips and tricks to throw your way. But if you'd like to see how I got this olive smoky eye, then please keep watching. Okay, so I have my lids prepped and I have my brows done, but that's pretty much it. And I wanted to show you the quad that I'm going to be working with for today's olive look. I have 2 Colourpop shadows. This one is Paper Tiger and Team Captain. And then this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Metal. And then this one here is Rune by Clionadh Cosmetics. I am going to try to go a little bit deeper than normal just so I can create like a really dramatic olive eye. And I'm going to start straight off with that Team Captain shade, that really deep olive matte. I have this BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. It's just like a fluffy flattened brush, and I'm going to shove it in my crease and then like open my eye a little bit so it's kind of holding the brush, and then go back and forth. I find that works really nicely with my eye shape because I'm going to be putting this pretty much all over the eye. And then to start blending, I'm going to go above and just kind of like tap. And I'm going to go in with another brush that's a little bit flatter, and I'm going to take that matte shade again and I'm just going to put it all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with a clean brush and just kind of like blend those outer edges a tiny bit. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush. I'm going to mix Team Captain with a little bit of Paper Tiger, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well just to add like a little bit more of like a yellowy tone. Okay, and I am going to go in with a dark brown. I'm going to grab Dystopian from the Sultry palette, and I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques brush. It's called the Instapop Crease Brush, and it's a little bit flatter. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the outer third just to deepen it up a little bit. I like putting green on top and then brown over it so that it deepens it, but it still keeps it very green. I thought there would be more fallout than there was, but there really wasn't, so I'm going to put makeup on the rest of my face and then come back and do the rest of the eyes. So I'm going to go in with a very, very trace amount of product on my brush, and I'm just going to kind of go up and tap where I want more color. And I have asymmetrical eyes, so it's not going to be like perfectly the same, but I kind of do want to make sure it's very noticeable whenever I have my eyes open. Then I'm going to go in with a clean pencil brush and just further blend. Then with a clean brush, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Paper Tiger. Make sure that there's not a lot on the brush by putting a little bit on my arm, and then just going over what I had just so it has like a little hint of yellow just to kind of bring out the olive a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my finger and that Rune shade, that sparkly olive from Clionadh. I'm just going to put this on the inner third. I think that brings a lot more dimension to the look. I am going to go in with that Team Captain shade and a flat small brush, the Morphe M508. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Because I have smaller eyes and they're a little more deep set, I don't want to put a really thick dark line under there. I just want to put a little bit just to kind of bring everything together. And then I'm going to go over that a little bit with Paper Tiger, that yellow shade, just to make it a little bit more warm, a little bit more true olive color. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to put some liner on my like upper inner rim, just on the outer half. And I was going to put some darker like black liner on my lids, but I kind of like it just the way it is. So I'm just going to put on some mascara and see if I like it with just that. And of course I got mascara like on my face. For lips, I'm going to take off the lip balm that I had, and I'm going to use this lip pencil from NYX. It's in the shade Sugar Glass. It's a really pretty nudie brown. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. And then I'm going to put the Stila liquid lipstick in Perla over that. And then that mascara that I got on my face, it's got plenty of time to dry at this point. So I'm just going to go in with a clean Q-tip and scrub it off. Okay. I really like how this look turned out. I think it brings out the green in my eyes a little bit, and I do really like how that all came together. I like how it has a little bit of a sparkle, a little bit smoky. I like it. I did ask Santa to bring me the Juicy Olive palette from Give Me Glow Cosmetics, and so while I wait for that to come in, I wanted to play with some of the olives that I already have in my collection, which I really don't have a ton of quality olives, so I'm excited for that palette to come in. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. I do have a tutorial about my favorite foundation routine for long-lasting and long days, like the holidays, whenever you're spending a lot of time with family and you're smushing cheeks together and you're eating and you're laughing and you're talking and you're drinking and you want something to really stay put throughout all of the festivities. That video went up yesterday, so if you're interested in that, I'll have it in the cards or in the description box. Thanks again to Jordana for asking me to join her in this collaboration. I'm really excited for you guys to see the other 3 looks that I created, and I'm excited to see the looks that Jordana comes up with. In the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!